As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Axie cost will hit $25 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $50 toward the finish of 2029. Axie will ascend to $75 inside the extended period of 2035. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $884. Today, Axie exchanged at $791, so the cost diminished by 11% from the very outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1988 and the year-to-year change plus 125%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 151%. In 2024, we hope to see $1371 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.29. In the final part, the cost would add $1.25 and close the year at $24.54, which is plus 210% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $24.54 to $41.48, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $24.54, then take off to $26.05 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $27.18. That implies plus 244% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $41.48 to $59.30, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $41.48, then, at that point, take off to $43.97 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $46.44. It is about plus 487% from today. Z201204. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $884. Today, Axie exchanged at $686, so the cost diminished by 22% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.12 and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see $43 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $17.71. In the final part, the cost would add $0.95 and close the year at $18.66, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.66 to $31.55, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.66, then take off to $19.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.67. That implies plus 201% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $31.55 to $45.10, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $31.55, then, at that point, take off to $33.44 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $35.32. It is about plus 415% from today. 0115204. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $884. Today, Axie exchanged at $793, so the cost diminished by 10% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14.36 and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 81%. In 2024, we hope to see 10 at $10.44 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $15.91. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $13.32, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $13.32 to $28.89, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $13.32, then take off to $13.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $14.74. That implies plus 86% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $28.89 to $33.55, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $28.89, then take off to $29.13 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $30.82. It is about plus 289% from today. 2101204. Axie Value Forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.72, so the cost diminished by 1% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $17.67, and the year-to-year change plus 100%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 103%. In 2024, we hope to see $12.85 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $18.71. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.33 and close the year at $16.38, which is plus 88% to the ongoing cost. Axie Forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $16.38 to $35.53, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $16.38, then take off to $17.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $8.10. That implies plus 108% from today. Axie Forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $35.53 to $41.27, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2031 at $35.53, then take off to $35.82 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $37.90. It is about plus 335% from today. 12,150,000 2023. Axie Value Expectation 2023-2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.27, so the cost expanded by 21% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.84, and the year-to-year change plus 31%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 8%. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $9.18. In the last part, the cost would add $1.49 and close the year at $9.67, which is plus 33% to the ongoing cost. Axie Forecast 2025-2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $9.67 to $16.97, which is up 75%. Axie will begin 2025 at $9.67, then take off to $10.27 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.71. That implies plus 47% from today. Axie Forecast 2030-2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $16.97 to $24.68, which is plus 45%. Axie will begin 2030 at $16.97, then, at that point, take off to $18.6 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $9.14. It is about plus 163%